welcome back to my YouTube video. I'm sorry I didn't post this weekend, but I was really busy though, so yeah. I mean, that's not really an excuse, but I'm back here on Monday, so yay. Basically today we're just gonna do some fun interactive stories, and it's gonna be pretty simple because, I mean, Python syntax is easy and it's just like printing stuff out and getting the user input, so I haven't finished yet, and I plan to actually do it with y'all so that y'all can actually learn how to do it. It's really fun. And so here it is. So it first prints, hey, what's your name? And then it gets the name by user input over here. This is a command in Python to get user input, and then print something, then get user input again, print, and then input, and then now the interactive story starts here. So story really starts here. So if choice equals 0, print, you run away, but suddenly something jumps out at you. Choice 2 equals input. Alright, so we're gonna give the do you, let's see, oh wait, let's make this bigger, because y'all probably can't even see it. I don't know if that helps or not. Ooh, I can't get it. Okay, there we go. So you run away, but suddenly something jumps out at you. Do you scream or freeze in terror? And so choice 2 equals input. If choice 2 equals 0, oh, by the way, yeah, user can only enter 0 or 1 because that makes everything more Sabrina. So if choice 2 equals 0, then let's see. Oh wait, we should first convert this to a string. Right, that would be wisest. So choice 2 equals 0, which means that if the person screams, then print help comes. You win. I mean, yeah, this is a pretty uninteresting bad story, but hey, like, at least it's like better than nothing. And so over here, else, so that means the choice 2 equals 1, then print the dragon eats you. And there you go, that's the ending. And we still haven't covered the other one. So here it is. So if choice equals 0, do you run away or creep closer? So if the person creeps closer, then print the dragon rises and advances towards you. He has gold in his mouth. Do you grab the gold or do you just run? So there we go. And so choice 2 string input, that basically just converts the input into a string. And so if choice 2 equals 0, back with the code, run 0, 1. Ooh, sorry about the background noise. So if choice 2 equals 0, then it's gonna print you get the gold. However, he kills you and your gets to enjoy your riches instead, which is pretty good. I mean, it's family after all, but he still died. So else, if they made the second choice, which is just run, you survived. You are still poor, but alive. Congrats. So there we go. And that's pretty much the end of the story. Hopefully it works, so we're just gonna say it first. Run my draw. Ooh, where should I? Oh, right desktop. So, more advanced. Well, it's not really advanced Python stuff, so Python programs. How about that? So, what should we name it? Alright. Interactive Story. .py. Save. Now it should run. So, hey, what's your name? My name is Python. Bye-bye, because that's the name of my YouTube channel. So, how are you, Python? Well, I'm great. You are in a cave and see a dragon. Do you run away or creep closer? I guess I'll go with 0, because I'm a coward. So you run away, but suddenly something jumps out at you. Do you scream or freeze in terror? Oh, that's kind of... Wait, you know what? Let's maximize it. So, do I scream or do I freeze in terror? I guess I'll just scream. Help comes. You win! Yay! Well, I mean, that's kind of unfair because I wrote it and so I know all the endings, but I mean, y'all can just do the same thing but make it like more nested for loops and stuff like that and have your friends do it with you. And I mean, it'll be really fun. I promise. Maybe. See you tomorrow, hopefully. But I'll probably be really busy though, so I don't know. Anyways, bye.